Hi everyone. Well, today is VEDA Day 6, Part 2. Now, in this video, I got something to show you guys. See, my new camcorder. I might use this to make the rest of my videos. I'm not sure yet, but I don't know. I might. It's, can you see the name? There, Cobra. That's the name of the camcorder. Yep. See, this is the front and the back. And right here, see this button right there? Watch. See? For the USB, for the computer and stuff like that. Yep. Yeah, I actually like that. I actually like this. And right here, that part, the back part, that's for the tripod. But I don't have no tripod, so yeah. So I finally received it. Woo! I totally love it. Totally. So yeah. So you guys, so if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave them in the comment box below. Okay? I guess that's it for now. Okay? Bye guys.